Happy Tuesday, everybody. Welcome to St. Anthony, Indiana on this wonderful afternoon after work. So here we are on Cross Street in St. Anthony. You come straight down this road, follow all the way through to Celestine, and you will hit some awesome curves. So come along with me and let's check this place out. I don't know if any of you guys pay close attention to my videos, but bike sounds a little different. Put a brand new exhaust on it. The Dan Moto Highwayman 2-in-1. I like it. It sounds like I'm on like a Ducati. So, tuner, intake, and exhaust now. A little torquier. Actually, you know, I was wrong. You gotta take St. Anthony Road north from Crossroad. Takes you to these awesome curves. That right there is the best sign ever. I love it. Nice downhill right. Gets a little harder down at the bottom. So if you're looking for a good ride after work and you live in this area, this is a good circle. Now we're out by Celestine Road, and we make a nice little U-turn here, take it into Celestine. Haven't already, like this video, smash that subscribe button for me. That would much appreciate it. So normally when there's not these cars in front of us, this is a pretty fun road to ride. In the summertime, this place is loaded with bikes, usually cruisers, but yeah, you'll always see them out here cruising, doing their thing. Alright, we're in the Celestine now. What we do up here is make a right on this little road out here coming into Celestine.
10 cents a day, you can help all motorcyclists from missing gears and embarrassing themselves. So please, our operators are by the phone and waiting. Please help them. Please.
You gotta be careful coming up to here if you're hauling ass. This stop sign got me the other day. I almost blew right through it. Let me know if you guys know any more cool roads like this anywhere that anybody may be watching this video, like in Indiana wise. But yeah, I'd like to know. Hit me up down below in that comment area. Write them comments. I want to hear all y'all haters. I want to hear all that bullshit, what I'm doing wrong when I'm cornering. I want to know, because I'm not the best. I'm just out here having fun. That's what it's about. I love haters. You know why I love haters? Because you all motherfuckers take the time out of your day to talk shit about me or anybody else. Like, keep on hating. It's not even really hate. That's love. Keep on loving me. I like it. Oh, look at that. Back in St. Anthony. It pretty much just makes one big gigantic loop. Right here is where we turn. So you can go either way. "26 miles is the length of that road." But thanks guys, thanks for watching. And again, subscribe, like, share. You know, if you enjoy my content. If you don't, hey, whatever, move on. There's always somebody better. But for all y'all that do like it, awesome. You're cool in my book.